everyone, welcome to my channel Learning with Dr. Simpy. Today I am going to brief about the topic which is Wolff-Kishner reduction. It is an important organic chemistry reaction and this reaction is used for the reduction of aldehydic or ketonic group which is carbonyl group, either aliphatic or aromatic group to that of hydrocarbon. So the hydrocarbon prepared may be aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbon. This reaction is known as Wolff-Kishner reduction. And what is Wolff-Kishner reduction? Reduction only carbonyl compound. In this reaction, there is reduction only carbonyl compound take place. And in this reaction, firstly, aldehydic or ketonic group, which is carbonyl group. So I have written it as carbonyl group. It may be aldehydic or aromatic, aldehydic or ketonic group, which is a carbonyl group. It react with that of, firstly it react with hydrazine and Kishner. Kishner से हम याद रखेंगे KOH. In the presence of potassium hydroxide and ethylene glycol is taken as a solvent and it converted into a alkane which is hydrocarbon change. It convert into hydrocarbon. Means this oxygen will be replaced with that of hydrogen and it is known as Wolff-Kishner reduction. Now I will discuss what is the mechanism of this reaction. So the mechanism. In this mechanism, firstly, this carbonyl carbon react with hydrazine H2N NH2. This is hydrazine written just like this so that it is clear that from that this water molecule will be removed and the formation of C double bond N NH2 and this is known as hydrazone. When carbonyl group react with hydrazine, it form hydrazone. This is the first step. And after that, and these hydrogen are acidic hydrogen because nitrogen is electronegative compound element. So these hydrogens are acidic hydrogen and it may be written as this hydrogen so that hydroxide ion abstract this hydrogen and this bond will be shifted over there with their electron as nitrogen is electronegative. This hydrogen I have written as HH. Don't confuse that there are 4 hydrogen. This hydrogen will be H and H and the product is C double bond N H negative for removal of water molecule because base abstract this hydrogen and these 2 electrons shifted over there. So 2 electron means 1 negative charge. So C double bond N NH negative. And after that there is resonance take place just like this. So the formation is this C पे negative charge bond N double bond NH. And this negative charge further abstract proton from water as I have taken ethylene glycol as a solvent and the product is CHN double bond NH. Further this hydrogen is also a acidic hydrogen so it react with further with that of base which is taken as a potassium hydroxide. It abstracts this hydrogen and this bond will be shifted over there so nitrogen will further get negative charge and the C N double bond N negative. Okay, and after that there is a resonance stabilization. This bond shift over there and this bond will be shifted over there. So the formation is C H should be written here. Here is H C H negative and plus nitrogen gas is released and after that this further abstract proton from that of water and the formation of hydrocarbon and the hydrocarbon which may be aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbon will be prepared by this Wolff-Kishner reduction. And this Wolff-Kishner reduction, in this reduction only carbonyl compound take place. If example, let us take an example. For example, if there is carbonyl group and hydroxide group, this is an aromatic carbonyl group and there are hydroxide as well as carbonyl group, and the reaction condition is first is hydrogen and potassium hydroxide and ethylene glycol as a solvent. And what is the product? So in this only reduction of carbonyl group. So carbonyl group will be reduced into hydrogen and carbonyl group double bond oxygen replaced by that of 2 hydrogen. So this is, and hydroxide will remain as such, because in this case there is only reduction of only carbonyl group. If we take this C double bond O NO2. Similarly, in this the product will be this, but in the case of hydroxide I will write it NO2, because in this case hydroxide is nitro, and the reduction of only carbonyl group will take place in Wolff-Kishner reduction. This is the mechanism of Wolff-Kishner reaction and what is Wolff-Kishner reduction. So please, thanks for watching and please like, share and subscribe my channel.